Hi guys, it's me Sasa. In this video, I will do a short review about Grab application. If you want to know my review, just keep on watching. Grab can be downloaded in Play Store in Android device and App Store in Apple device. Grab has two payment methods using cash and OVO payment, but during this pandemic, I prefer to use OVO payment because it is reduce contact with the driver and also to prevent the spread of coronavirus. You will get OVO point if you pay the order with OVO payment. The layout of the Grab is very easy to use and also very consistent. The information provided by a Grab application is very complete. There are a lot of features in the Grab such as Grab Ride, Grab Help, GRABFOOD, and etc. And also I got a lot of discount by using Grab. I'm a gold member in Grab, so I receive many benefits and many discounts in there. I often use GRABFOOD rather than another features because it is very help me, especially in this pandemic situation. After I order some food, I got an information regarding my order, include the precise location of the food that I order and also the driver positions. Many merchants are registered at the GrabFood, ranging from fast food to healthy food, and also GrabFood provide many favorable promo for me, and also I can find many kind of food, snacks, beverages, and etc. Overall, Grab application is very easy to use and very convenient to use. In this pandemic situation, Grab application really helped me to find some food and deliver some food to me, and I also can request to do contactless with the driver, and also I can do payment with OVO, which means I no need to use cash anymore. It is very easy and very convenient. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.